After so many months of renovations, we are now finally open. Day one building is officially open for customers to come. In this building, you find all categories, almost all categories of building materials. Let's go. So behind me, this is the lobby of day one. And moving over here to this section, this is where we're gonna have an overall view of the home-like decoration. For example, these are the new kitchens that we have, luxury kitchen units, as well as this is the wine shelf, which comes with LED lightings. Amazing. So we're gonna give you an introduction of this kitchen unit. The countertop is made out of full marble. Then coming here over here to these shelves, these are modern shelves, electronic shelves. We just put your arm over here and it opens like that, which comes in with an LED lighting. I can also stop it just by pressing my hand there and it reverses back. Very elegant and nice. And over here we have this inbuilt cooker, which is also can be modified according to your design and brand that you want. This is also a countertop made out of marble. Coming over here, we also have this dining table, which is part of the kitchen unit. From the kitchen unit, after having your dinner, what's next to do is we're about to put a new flat screen TV there. Then coming over here, we have this sofa that comes with a coffee table. Then in this living room, we have some modern decorations. We're using these wall panels that has a metal strip on it and giving you this LED lighting. Good. Entering your bedroom, the first thing that you get to see is this U-shaped wardrobe, which is a modern wardrobe as well. As you can see, it comes with an island. This is where you can place your jewelries and other stuff like that. This is a big wardrobe that can store most of your clothes, and I'm sure that most of you guys out there can agree with me that this will store all your clothes that you have. Now let's have a tour of this bathroom. Over here we have this bathtub that you can probably have a very nice bath in it. Then coming over to this section, we have this bathroom cabinets that also can be fitted with LED lightings. Moving over to this section, we have the shower that is very gigantic, and also that comes with a piano shower head. Then over to this section, this is where we get to do our business. This is the toilet room. As it can come, it also comes with a smart toilet. Now let's move to the bed section. Over here, coming to this bed, we have this beautiful large king size bed that has a side table and a sofa that you can enjoy to lay on to watch your TV and other stuff. Over here we have the material selection. You get to choose what type of, for example, you get to choose what type of LED lightings that you want, what type of switches, what type of lightings, chandeliers, and the materials that you would like to use for your carpets and your sofa and other materials that need fabric. And over here, this section of materials, we have different types of wall panels and wallpapers that you can use. For example, you can get to use this type of wall panel, or the one that comes in just plain like a mirror to you. Then These also come in different types of colors. Then for the carpets, we also have office carpets, bedroom carpets, and also other carpets that you would like to use. Then moving on to this section, we also have curtains, so you get to choose what type of materials. Then over here we still have the electronic curtains, so any type of curtains that we have you covered in day one building. When it comes to your flooring, we have you covered with different types of shade, colors and patterns that are unique that you can find in day one building. On the marble section, we have different types of onyxes that you can see from this side. Then moving over here, we can also customize your dining table that is also made out of full marble. Over here for the flooring, we also have marbles that come in different types of varieties as well as sizes. As you can see, we have 30 by 60 and 60 by 60. So just now I showed you some different types of marbles that we have. Then over here in this section we have a very wide variety of new styles of towels. These are new ceramic towels that you get to choose from. These are 120 by 60. In day one we have a variety of materials to choose from. For example, for your cabinets such as wardrobes, kitchens, you get to choose different types of colors and materials. When it comes to kitchen cabinets, we get to choose different types of materials that we get to use. For example, we have different types of hinges to use, and as well as the rails that we get to use for your cabinets. This is a modern kitchen unit, and I'll show you some of the functions that it has. As you can see already, it comes with all these LED lightings that makes your kitchen more modern and beautiful. This is an inbuilt sink, and over here we also have this inbuilt as it rises up, and you can also charge your phone and also use other electrical appliances just by pressing this. This is a wireless surface. Then also if you have any other gadgets that you want to connect, you can still use them by using this inbuilt socket. Moving on to the second floor, then we're going to show you more customized goods that we have in our showroom that will blow your mind. So let's go and have a look what's here. Moving on to the bedroom section, this is where we get to see this king-size bed with these side tables, and looking at this modern wardrobe that comes in with these beautiful LED lightings. Then on this section, we have these sofas that comes with this coffee table over here. And then if you look on the other side, this is where we get to see the TV cabinet that also comes in with these LED lightings, and where you can store your books and other accessories for your living room. Excellent. And just like that, my phone is charging in the kitchen. Now let's move on to this other section. Over here we have this modern kitchen unit that also is gonna blow your mind. Just by doing that, we're able to open the cabinets just by giving it a tap push. It opens, and how we close that? Simply by pressing this button over here. I told you this is gonna blow your mind. Like I mentioned before, these kitchen units, you really blow your mind. Let's take a look at this modern sink for drinking water. Moving over to this other section, you want to wash your vegetables. This is much easy. Turn it off. Then over here we have this easy access then if you are planning to wash your glasses, this is much easier now. You can just tap in there and press this. Done. When you come to day one, we are offering you varieties of styles and design. As you can see, this is totally different from the one that I showed you. For those that love cabinets, this is one of them that you should love. This cabinet comes with LED lightings where you can store your wine and other accessories. Thank you for following around us today. We have shown you what we have in day one, but we'll keep you posted because day one building is still being updated. For those fans that want to come to visit us, please remember to comment on the comment section. Bye-bye.